George of the jungle.
Well, despite my reservations about the Fed and some other comments that I've made about them, it appears as though there may be some good news on the horizon regarding inflation. Thanks for coming into thecreditjungle.com today. This is George Anderson, and I've got a couple of charts that I want to pull up here. This came out the week on December 5th, and one of them shows what the money supply is. One of the interesting statistics out there is that 80% of all dollars in circulation right now have been put into circulation since 2019. So during COVID, we had all of these rescue programs and PPI and everything else, and the market got flooded with money, okay? And on these charts, you can see that huge spike in 2000 and then another little spike again in 2021, where some of these subsidies and, whatever you want to call it, money printing was going on there. But that money has been kind of shrunk in the economy right now, and a lot of that's due to the price of money going up. Okay, so it's more scarce dollars out there. There's not as much. The velocity of money, the rate at which it turns over, is all affecting the money supply out there. But that's a good news. This other chart shows that for the first time in over 40 years, that the money supply year to date in 2022 has actually shrunk. It's at a negative 0.3%. So if inflation comes under control, we know that that's eventually going to be some good news for the bonds, which is good news for mortgage-backed securities and good news for rates. So let's keep an eye on it and just hope that the trend continues. Thanks for coming into thecreditjungle.com today. This is George Anderson, and you have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.